हरे कृष्ण। अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को बहुत सारा प्रेम दिया है और सराहा भी है। ऐसे ही कथाएं और गीता और कीर्तन के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेयर करें। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
आपको देख के मैं भूल गई हूँ कि मैं पूना में हूँ कि लखनऊ में हूँ क्योंकि गौरव प्रभु जी दिखते हैं तो लगता है कि हम पूना ही पहुँच गए
हम
हैं।
हमेशा वृंदावन में ही मिलते हैं।
हम वृंदावन में ही मिलते हैं, जहाँ हम मिलेंगे वो जगह वृंदावन ही है। करेक्ट प्रभु जी। इतनी सुंदर गौर कथा जो हुई तो इसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा संक्षिप्त में आप अगर बताएं तो जो भक्त लोग आज की पूरी 7 दिनों की जो कथा थी जो मिस आउट कर गए हैं उनको मिल जाए कथा में।
तो सभी लोग पर्टिकुलरली एक चीज़ की खोज में है। वेदर एनीवन इज़ वर्किंग और प्लेइंग और गोइंग टू द जिम और डूइंग बिजनेस और इवन स्टडिंग, बेसिकली सब लोग अपनी आइडेंटिटी को ढूंढ रहे हैं वापस। दे आर सर्चिंग फॉर द सेल्फ. Everyone has lost who they are. So in the search for the self, they will study hard, they make certain goals in their mind कि हम लोग इतना पैसा कमाएंगे.
Possibly then I'll get the identity.
Yes. So initially, like I'll speak about my career. So initially they gave us the role of software engineer. Then while being the software engineer for let's say 2 or 3 years, we see कि हमको अब senior software engineer बनना है.
Correct. A higher goal for you.
Every 2 years they will give a very good advertisement कि आप इतना progress करो and then we will promote you.
Correct. Like that donkey and the carrot.
Later they will give us the role of manager. Then they will make us project manager. Then they will even give a role for maybe delivery manager, sales partner, CEO, CFO, managing director.
Right.
So everyone is on a path of searching for the self. They are thinking that actually I am a pauper, but myself should reach a platform where I am a billionaire.
Correct.
So maybe the idea of self is I want to become a billionaire. अंदर से तो अभी भी बिलियनियर वाला हार्ट है मेरा, बस मैं हूँ नहीं फिजिकली. और some people are searching in terms of intelligence. Intellectually they are trying to become a well-known personality. They will do research, write papers, and even invent जिससे उनको काफ़ी पेटेंट्स मिलते हैं. So they will be termed as Nobel laureates. या फिर emeritus professors are there. They will come to their colleges to give lectures. जैसे कि हम ना यहीं से पढ़े थे और फिर हमने ये किया. We have written these books. So in a way everyone is searching for the real identity. So initially it seems कि material endeavor is totally different from the spiritual endeavor. But ऐसा नहीं है. Materially also everyone is trying to find a sense of self. But at some point of time साधु गुरु वैष्णवों की कृपा से, शास्त्र की कृपा से हमको समझ में आता है कि हम गलत प्लेटफॉर्म पे सेल्फ की खोज कर रहे हैं. एक्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म सेल्फ का होना चाहिए सोल. इफ़ आई एम सोल, द प्रोग्रेस ऑल्सो शुड बी ऑन द पाथ ऑफ सोल. अब सोल की पाथ पे भगवद गीता मेंशंस दैट द लेडर ऑफ योगा इट गोज लाइक कर्म योगा, ज्ञान योगा, ध्यान योगा, भक्ति योगा.
And to begin with Sankhya.
Yeah. So Sankhya means that we are soul, not this body. And now if we are this soul, then we have to act in such a way that our karma becomes karma yoga.
Karma. Very true. Because ये वाला point जो है ना, ये normally when you approach somebody to read Bhagavad Gita, they say हाँ भगवद गीता में कहा है कर्म करो. सो इफ़ इट वॉज दैट ईजी सो 700 श्लोक्स की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ती और स्पेशली कर्म योग की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ती।
कर्म तो गधा भी कर ही रहा है,
कर्म तो गधा भी कर रहा है।
उसके लिए सेल्फ का आइडेंटिफिकेशन ही है कि वो गधा है, बस उसके अंदर एक इंटेलिजेंस नहीं है टू सी व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर दिस बर्थ एंड डेथ cycle. So for humans we have this opportunity to seek what happens after death, to seek a better sense of self. तो अब सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन का जो पाथ है स्टार्ट्स विथ फाइंडिंग अ गुरु। तो इस चैतन्य मंगल की कथा में हम लोगों ने देखा कि इवन चैतन्य महाप्रभु इन हिज इनिशियल ईयर्स ही वॉज enjoying the Vidyaras. He was a professor in Navadvipa and he was well known for his scholarly activities. People will come, people will challenge him. शास्त्रार्थ होगा, यहाँ से कुछ बातें चलेंगी, वहाँ से कुछ चलेगा, will keep on happening. But when this Lord Chaitanya meets his Guru Ishwar Puri, his life is transformed. So he is not an ordinary person, an ordinary human being, but he is just portraying that even when I come, I surrender to Guru and follow his instructions to find the perfect sense of self. So Lord Chaitanya, being Krishna himself, like Lord Krishna, he learned 64 kala in 64 days.
64 days from Chaitanya.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also transgressed all these ladders, all these steps of the yoga ladder, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Dhyan Yoga, Tapasya. He crossed all of them. He directly portrayed and played and enjoyed on the platform of pure Bhakti Yoga.
Pure Bhakti Yoga.
In a single moment, he directly reached that platform. And on that platform, he finds that he is the servant of Lord Krishna. So that is the permanent sense of self, which everyone is seeking through different means. Material means, even spiritual means has so many these before mentioned yoga. We can say these are not different processes altogether, but these are different steps of the same yoga ladder. So if I am attached to karma, it is beneficial for me to do karma yoga. If I am a scholar, I like to scholarly read Bhagavad Gita. It's better for me to understand Bhagavad Gita under the guidance of Guru. That is Jnana Yoga. Okay. And if after Jnana Yoga I have firm conviction that Bhakti Yoga is the supreme most activity of the human being, of any soul, then I will engage myself in the devotional service. So inside devotional service also we have 9 processes of devotional activities. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Pad Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. So from this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that Kirtanam is the process through which we can attain this pure sense of self. That I am Krishna Das, I belong to the spiritual world, I have a certain constitutional position in the spiritual world. To realize that relation with Radha and Krishna, I have to do Sankirtan.
Basically to understand in a very simple language that the lengthy process of Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Bhakti Yoga, Mahaprabhu has made it very, very condensed that through Bhakti Yoga we can directly understand that Jive Swarupa and Nitya Krishna Das, and we can directly get that sense of self, that who we are, which everybody is putting in a lot of endeavors through material life, through knowledge and everything. So that is the main essence which Mahaprabhu has given to us.
Through Srila Prabhupada's teachings, we will theoretically understand the sense of self.
Correct.
But in reality, we have to realize this truth by ourselves through our process of performing Bhakti Yoga. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has emphasized that we have to chant Hare Naam, Hare Naam, Hare Naam Eva Kevalam. Only through this process of Hari Naam. So Hari Naam is the conclusion of all these scriptures. So in my background you can see that we have a
Yes, Mridang is there, every Kirtan seat is there, right?
So this is our Kirtan. I'll say that this is our altar of sacrifice.
Correct.
We see Yajna Kund, in that we pay some homage in the fire. This is the sacrificial arena of Sankirtan. And through the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I wish that I sacrifice my life in the altar of Sankirtan.
हरे कृष्णा एंड आई होप कि गौरव प्रभु जी ने जो हमसे कहा है कि हरे नाम एव केवलम कलौ नास्तिव 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 गतिर अन्यथा, तो इसके अलावा और कोई गति है ही नहीं। और ये इतना सहज है, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।